Howdy. Okay, so on the rear shock absorbers, the bushings tend to get really damaged and they always need replacement. And these guys are due for replacement. If you have a look there, you can see how worn they are. This is what a new one looks like. I'm going to show you how to replace these. Take a small drill bit. I'm just going to drill into the rubber all the way around. Try and go through here and there. Keep the drill bit onto the shaft here that's going to be replaced anyway. Here we go. Keep going around this little guy all the way. Okay, that should have enough drilling around this little lug. Should make it loose. So you can grab it with a vice grip. There we go. Pull it out. Then it will allow the rubber to have a little bit of play. So you can get in there, and you would have gone through areas with the. There you go, and loosen it up. There you go. It's out. Get some sandpaper. I just made a quick shift scheme here. Some sandpaper on a bar that fits this area. Get it in there. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, get your new bush. Where's that bush here? A little bit of kitchen dishwashing soap. A little bit, just rub it around. This just enables it to go in there a lot easier. Put it in there. Okay. It's quite a tight fit, so now you have to use a vise. I've just got a loose vise on the floor here. And you press it in as straight as possible. Get your faces as straight as possible. I've already made sure that my faces are straight, so it's fine. You press it in, and you'll know that you can't go all the way because the bushing is wider than the shock absorber. So get yourself a socket, which I don't know where it is now. Where's my socket? Right here. Are you still filming? Mm. A socket that can fit over the bush and is wide enough to allow it to go into there. So if you squeeze from this side, it pushes in here. Once again, line them up and go for it. You don't want to push too far, so you don't want it to go all the way in, because a little bit must stick out this side as well as on the other side. So I go to about there, take it out, have a look, and that is near perfect. And there you go, new bushings fitted.